Welcome to Digital Learning, Department of Collegiate Education. Myself, Chodappa Arsi, Assistant Professor of Commerce, GFGC Kurtir. In today's discussion, I discuss differences between domestic company and foreign company, or domestic trade and foreign trade, or domestic business and foreign business. So, this is the learning objective and session outcome. Come to differences between domestic company and foreign company. Domestic business or company is nothing but defined as the business whose economic transaction is conducted within the geographical limits of the country is called domestic business. But international business or company, it is nothing but business which is not restricted to single country, that is the business is engaged in the economic transaction with several countries in the world or global is called international business or international company or foreign company. Here, this is the first difference. Actually, the meaning will be taken as differences. Domestic business or domestic company means the business whose economic transaction is conducted within the geographical limits of the country or domestic country. But international business or in foreign company or international company is nothing but the business is not restricted to single country. The business which is engaged in the economic transaction with several countries in the worldwide or global. This is the first difference between these two. Second one, the area of operation or scope of domestic company is limited. Very simple. The scope or area or geographic area of the what you call the domestic company is limited to home country only or single country only. But the area or geographical what you call the operation or scope of international company or business is vast, is not limited to single country, is what you called serves many countries in the same time at the worldwide or global. This is the second difference. Third one, quality standards of products and services provided by domestic business. Very important. In domestic business, the quality of products or services relatively very low. But in foreign country or foreign trade or international business, the quality of standards of any product and services very high, very according to global standards or technology. Third one. And fourth one, domestic company deals in the currency of the country where it operates. Means domestic country only operate in home country, therefore it operates single currency or current that currency of that country only. But international company deals in multiple currencies because of it operate in number of countries entire globe. Next, another one difference. Domestic company requires comparatively less capital investment. Very simple. The capital investment requires very less compared to others, but international business or international company requires more capital investment. This is the another one difference. And sixth one, domestic company has a few restrictions as it's subject to rules, law, taxation of single country. But international company or international business is subject to rules, law, taxation, tariff and quotas of many countries. Therefore, it has faced many restrictions. Therefore, domestic company face only few restrictions regarding law, taxation and etc. regarding only home country. But what you call international company face many restrictions because of the international company or foreign company established in several countries. Therefore, it face several rules, law, taxation, tariff and quotas of entire number of countries in the worldwide. Next, the nature of customers of domestic company is more or less same. Means in domestic company customers nature is simple and same. There is no changes. But the nature of customers of every country is different in international company. International company international business ಬಂದಾಗ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಕಂಟ್ರಿಯ ನೇಚರ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ ನೇಚರ್ ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಸಸ್ is different. This is seventh one. Eighth one, business research can be conducted easily ಇನ್ ಡೊಮೆಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಕಂಪನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ರಿಸರ್ಚನ್ನು ಈಸಿಲಿ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಟು ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಿವ್ and that research reliability varies from country to country because of R&D is different from one country to another country. That's why it is expensive and also it is difficult to conduct business research in international company. Come to another point, difference. Domestic company factors of production are same. In domestic company, domestic business, the factors of production are mobility, but in as international business, the domestic mobility factors of production are restricted because of entire rules and law is changes from one country to another country. Next one. Domestic company is a company that is incorporated and conducts its affairs in its home country. That is, any one company conducts its affairs in home country, it is called a domestic company, and also it is incorporated in home country, single country. But foreign company that is incorporated in different country, but it has a business in different parts of the world is foreign company. Then another one, the rate of tax is less for domestic companies. Domestic companies again, tax rate is very less, but rate of tax is very high to foreign companies or international company. And another one point, domestic company involves the exchange of goods and services within confines of national territory. Very important. Domestic company ಅಂದಾಗ domestic business ಅಂದಾಗ the goods and services are exchanged within the national territory, means within the boundary of nation or country. But foreign company or international trade exchange the capital and goods and services and technology across the nations or two or more companies, two or more countries. That is called international business or international company. Another one difference, domestic company does not fetch foreign exchange, means does not actually enjoy the foreign exchange, but foreign company it enjoy the foreign exchange. And last another one point, profits in domestic trade are always less compared to profits in international trade because of therefore domestic company profits are less and international companies or international trade profits are more. This is what we call another one difference. These are the differences between domestic company or business and foreign company or foreign business or international trade. So this is very important for 5 marks. These are the references. Okay, thank you.